Okay, so now we're going into the line. This is cast iron. Holding some water, as you see. Still holding some water.
He's holding water, correct?
He's still holding water, but because of the roots. See the water just standing? And we're on top of the roots right there. You see those roots right there?
Okay. So that part looks good, right?
Yeah, some big roots right there. It took over the whole line. You see that?
Oh shit. How can we get those out?
The only way is a line. Again, some roots right there. See them?
Yeah.
So every 4 foot about. This one is okay. This one again, roots. Some roots right there. Small roots. More roots. And this is the main in the middle of the street. So we're about 60 feet out to the main. 60 feet.
And that's water. It's not water right there.
This is water, yeah.
Just like a small part.
Yeah, the small part, but the biggest part is holding behind those roots, obviously.
So that's a bad
Yeah.
spot.
Yeah.
You're just watching the water fly out?
No, I'm just thinking.
Okay. So there's like joints that.
Yeah, that's how I drink, yeah.
Yeah. What happened is this is a clay pipe. So clay pipe, the way it was laid in 4 foot sections. They never bonded those pipes in between. They just laid them next to each other. Over the time, start separating, and then starts moving, and then you get the root penetration basically. So that, see the line's completely closed there.
Would
So
that
you
machine
can't-
have gotten it
yeah.
better there? Like, should it have cleaned it better?
No. Again, you don't want to mess with those roots too much. You're gonna keep pulling on those roots. You're gonna put the line in danger of collapsing.
Okay.
So what you need is an excavation right here in this area, and then you need a 50-foot liner to the main. At least 50. I say at least 50 because the majority of the roots are within the first 45 feet. So I say 50 feet. Now your line has about, let's say, 60 feet to it. So I can give you a price to either do the whole line all the way to the main with the extra 10 feet, or just do the 50 feet. I recommend doing the whole line. I mean, because doing the whole line, there's no tax on it. And if you just do a 50 foot, I have to charge tax on it. So it wouldn't make much of a difference.
So would the liner start from right here?
It would start from right here all the way to the main.
What part do you have to excavate?
Right here.